Alex decided to waste all his check on this car. Like 2 checks.
Everything.
He's just sending it. Full send.
It's your fault.
He wanted to be better than me, so he ended up getting a Arashi Turbo. And he has a front mount, which is there. So now we're about, hopefully we can get this done before the sun goes down.
We are.
And yeah, just mount everything up with the front mount, and that's for sale if you guys want it. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but if he still has it, it's for sale. How much?
300.
300.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this has to come out. This has to come out. Alright, let's just get in there. It's out. Alright. She's out. Yeah. Try to figure out which piece goes next. It's kind of hard to tell. Good job.
Good job.
Job. All right, we need clamps for this. It's not fucking budging, bro.
All right, so we have everything put together. Everything is routed. What is left?
These few clamps right here.
Right.
And then you put that on already? Tightened it?
No, I don't. I have that on already. I just need to tighten it.
Got to double tighten everything.
And I think run by everything one more time. What modifications we had to do? What you had to do?
The splash shield down here. Show it right here.
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Show it. Come from the other side.
I'll come from that side.
Yeah, you'll see it right here. See? I opened this up a little bit right here just to give it enough clearance so it doesn't scrape. And if you don't do that, it's not going to go back on.
Okay.
The splash shield.
And then we're removing the reservoir, right? And then he's going to use that.
For now.
And that's pretty much it. All right, so we finished doing everything. We honestly been here for like the past 2 hours cutting this bumper. And if we can't get it to align correctly.
My girl broke up with me. Everything's going wrong, bro. Everything.
Oh man, so we're still with the Dremel. It's 8 o'clock at night and we're still going at this.
Probably gonna stop soon.
And it's literally like a finger off. So we were trying to figure out where it's coming from. It's usually that corner, this corner, that corner, that corner. The fog lights was hitting the pipes, and now those corners are hitting the pipes. So we're still dremeling it to not damage the bumper itself, but I guess we gotta dremel it a little bit more. Hopefully he can get it done. I told him to wait for tomorrow, but I'm trying to get him home with a bumper. And we got this whole mess. Oh man. All right, and now he's gonna use this monster can as his new reservoir.
Where is it going?
Sounds a bit sketch, but like 4 hours later, or 5 hours later, right? I feel like it's been 5 hours, but yeah, we're done.
totally did, bro.
Really?
Why are you recording? So crazy. Instead of helping me. Yo, this pipe is so bad on there. Look at this. This